Hey guys, welcome to Gandhi Tech. I am Habib Ali Usman. In this video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos with just your smartphone. So with all that being said, let's dive into the video. But before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. We are going to be using the Pixel Lab application to create your own video. All you need to do, once you open it, you will see a new text. Just clean that text and you should on the bottom of your screen you will see this icon, this layout with icons. Just hit this two square boxes. On top of that, I've been stuck on top of each other. Then you should from gallery. Then you should import the image that you want to use. For example, I want to use this image. Once I've already, if you want to crop the image, you can crop it or leave it the way it is. Once the image is being imported, next thing you have to do is image size. There they already have it. Select YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, and so on and so forth. Once you select it, the default is 1280 by 720. What you need to do, once you bring your image, if you want, you can change the background color. For example, you can make it blue, and then you should import the image that you want to use on the background. So once you have already done that, let me just bring this image. Once you have already done that, for example like this one, if you want to scale it also you can add stroke, maybe some color around it to make it look better. Shadow, you can add shadow to this image. So you can choose shadow color. You can also rotate it, 3D rotate, to look a little bit nice and clean. Shadow, if you want to give it a shadow. If you don't want that, it's okay, and you can make the text to become a little bit 3D. Update too much, at least it will be okay like this. Let's just leave it 4. Once you are done, just hit on this Dix icon and save as image. So it will show you JPEG, no transparency. Your width is 1280 by 720. Save to your gallery, then you are good to go. Just upload it to your YouTube video, to your YouTube